Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile. Today we are doing another intro. We are working on an intro, and we're working in the key of G, down here on the 8th fret on string number 2. So we've got our chord there, which is the C shape of the G chord. Okay, and we're gonna work with this chord here, which is the 5th here, and it's the D chord. Okay, D chord. You can see this, the key is up here on the 5th string. You can fret the whole thing there, and this ring finger is barring the string number 2, 3, and 4. The first finger is barring across the whole fret, the whole all the strings actually. So you have something like that. So make sure this one is ringing. Make sure this one is ringing as well. Number 2. So number 1, number 2 should not be blocked by this finger here. So it should slip on there like that. Or if you can do that. If you can do that, but it's a bit more difficult for me to do some changes with this chord inside. But when it's up here as A sharp, it's pretty cool on the open position. So that's the D there. Okay, so the intro goes this way. You have to have an idea of the sound, and it goes dun 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 dun. Okay, so let's work it out. So we got the G here. So it's like D, back to G. So far we're done. So da 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 da. There you go. Okay, that's nice. It goes again. Okay, let's go again. So these are 2 chords that we're playing. We're just playing 2 chords here, which is. I want you to note that when I do this, I'm just summarizing this chord here. Okay, it's the same chord, but I'm just holding this from the 5th root and 3rd on that thread there. So that's what I'm playing there. But when I want to play the full chord, I just do that. Okay, use 2 fingers. Okay, so it goes. Okay, so this is the intro. So let's explain a little bit here. Let's do the intro and then we go into some rhythm playing. Okay, so that we see what happens there. 1, 2, 3. So that's how it goes. So after the intro, you go back and start off with the root chord. So it goes, and then I was doing a 1-4-1-5 kind of chord progression there, which was that chord there. Of course, arpeggiating it, and that, which is the 4th, and back to the 5th, which is that. Okay, so on doing intros, sometimes an intro starts without drums. Sometimes it starts with drums. Now, if it starts without drums, it means the drummer has got to time exactly when the intro finishes. Okay, if it's got a drum, that's pretty cool. You start off with the drummer, or the drummer just does the roll, ka ka ka, and then you go dun 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 dun. Okay, so once again we repeat that intro slowly. I'll tell you something that I've done there, which is a little bit wrong, because what I want to ring in the last stage of the intro is this fifth here. I want that fifth to ring. You can actually play it with that fifth, but I fret the whole chord like that. So let's start again. So when you're da, you actually need the upper part of the chord. So which means you might need to play just this root, fifth, and the other root, and maybe the third. It's okay. Or you can play the whole chord. It's still pretty good. Okay. So here we go again. Okay, so that's a nice. That intro there can be used as a bridge. It can also be used as an outro when you're finishing off. Okay, you just go. So make sure this root here, which is on the fifth fret, oh, sorry, on the fifth fret on the fifth string, make sure it rings, because it's got the bass that we require in that intro. Okay, so let's wrap it off by just repeating the lick. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile, and I urge you to subscribe to this so that we bring you more ideas into your music. You can expand these ideas and form your own intros. I urge you to subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheers.